beautiful people, you're welcome to Beautiful Life of Woman. My name is Odunayo and I'm a public health specialist. Quickly in today's video, we are going to be talking about the right way to use your sanitary pad and how best is it to dispose your pad. I wouldn't say there is an awful method or awful way of disposing your pad. It depends on what you know and what you believe in. And that is why I am here today to tell you the right way to put it on and the best way to dispose it. Now, today's video is going to be a form of illustration. I won't be doing a lot of talking, so come right with me. For this video, I will be using pink cotton panties and then always ultra, which is for the heavy flow. The pink one is for light flow, the blue one is for heavy flow. So you open up the pad from the white tape. You just take out the white tape, open up the pad, and then you turn your underwear inside out. When you open up the pad, you would see that it has two ends. There is the longer one, which is expected to go towards the back, that is towards your buttocks, and then the shorter part that is expected to go at the other side. So you can see that flip at the back. That is due to the way it was folded in the wrap. You have to be careful. I'm going to talk about that line as we go ahead. As you can see, that's the longer part that goes towards your buttocks, while the other side goes up. So that's how you carefully place it, following the line. The fold and the line should go hand in hand. Now back to the fold at the back. When you are placing the back, ensure that that fold is not inside, that is, it is opened. If the fold is inside, then you are most likely going to stain. You are most likely going to get stained because of course the edge is already inside. And then you take out that tape that holds the wings, and then you follow that line, the line on your underwear, and then ensure that you fold the wing around that line, and then you do the second side. Please be careful with the glue or the gum on it, because it could glue itself together and then you can actually damage the pad. The trick is that it should be well laid and smooth. If not, when you wear it, it could show through your cloth that there's something hanging in your underwear. Now we are going to stain the pad. For that purpose, I'm going to use this tomato paste just to to represent the period, because, and I'm showing you this so that you won't get irritated thinking probably I used something messy. So I'm going to stain the pad now. So just as when you're wearing a pad when you're on your period, it gets stained, just from the middle and then towards the front. So if you are sitting down, it's most likely going to flow towards the upper part, but if you are lying down, especially lying on your back, it's going to flow towards your buttocks. So just for you to know, once the sides are filled, probably you go to the restroom and you see that that side here where I was touching is stained, is about time you change the pad. If not, you're going to stain your cloth. And then if you are sitting and you see that upper part, yes, that part is stained, then it's about time you go and change the pad. Or if you are lying down and then you discover that the back, you were lying down and then discover that the back is already filled, then you go and change the pad. When removing the used part, do not be tempted to want to open through the wings. It will not work that way. Just pull it from the top, pull here just like that, pull the pad away from the panties, then it would detach. You can then fold this like I'm folding it, fold it and keep it probably in the same cover or wrap that it came with, and then you can put in the incinerator or in the bin if you are comfortable. If not, like me, you just hold it at the two edge just like I'm holding it. Yes, you carefully pull it apart. It's going to open up and reveal the cotton part, cotton with some little gel, I suppose, yeah, that's inside. It's going to reveal that to you, and then you carefully take out the upper part just like I'm opening it. Very easy, fast, and a clean process. It's not messy. Then you take the nylon part, that is the wrap, you would see it now, you just put it under the running water and then it will wash away any form of stain on it, and before you know it, it is clean. This can maybe in about 15 seconds you are done. Then you take that nylon, you don't flush this, don't flush the nylon,
and then you wrap it, and then you can throw this in the bin, or you can put it in another form of paper bag or whatever, or you can just throw it in like that. It's clean, there's nothing on it already. You can then flush the cotton that is inside, and voila, you are done. Since the nylon has been removed, you are free to flush the cotton. It won't block your toilet.
I believe you have gotten the best idea of how to go about this lady stuff, ladies palaver. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you can get much more informative videos like this. And I believe you know some other persons that might also benefit from this video. So do well to do what? Click on the share button and share it with your family, share it with your network. Thank you for watching today's video, and see you some other time. Bye bye.